Close your eyes, listen slowly. A boy named Edison, he could not hear so well. The classroom felt too loud, like a distant bell. He could not hear so well. The classroom felt too loud. The teacher said he can't learn, but his mother saw the light. She taught him at home every day and night. His mother saw the light. She taught him day and night. Listen, listen to your heart. Every small step is a start. Even in the dark, you can find the way. A little light can change the day. He tried and failed again and again, but he never stopped. He learned from the pain. He never stopped. He learned from the pain. One day, a glowing light, a bulb that changed the night. From dark to bright, from fear to sight. A bulb that changed the night. From dark to bright. Listen, listen to your heart. Every small step is a start. Even in the dark, you can find the way. A little light can change the day. Edison, a boy who could not hear, but helped the whole world see more clearly. He helped the world see